I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1998 Toyota Tacoma 3.4 liter standard shift. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A funnel, 2 different length 3/8 ratchet, 2 different length 3/8 extension, a 3/8 universal, 14mm socket, flat tip screwdriver, and my oil pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An engine oil filter, 6 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first I'm going to be opening up my oil filler cap. I'm putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. So we're under the vehicle. There's a hole right in this metal plate so you can get access to the drain plug. So it's like right in there. So I'm going to be removing it with a 14mm socket. So we're going to be putting back the drain plug. I'm going to be reusing my old washer. Nothing wrong with you reusing the old washer. Okay, I'm going to be replacing the oil filter. So we're on the driver's side front inner fender well. So I'm going to be using a cup type oil filter wrench, and I'm going to be unscrewing it. So I'm going to be putting some oil on my oil filter O-ring. That way when you tighten it up, it's going to just slide right on. Okay. Now we're going to be checking the block side. Make sure there's no O-ring stuck onto the block. If there is, remove it. So now I'm going to be wiping up the block. So I'm going to be screwing on my filter. So I'm going to be tightening it up. So I'm going to be adding in the engine oil. I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing the funnel. Now I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Make it tight. You don't want it vibrating loose. So now I'm going to lower the vehicle. I'm going to start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. Now you can shut it off. So I'm going to be checking the oil level. I'm going to be pulling out my dipstick, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, checking the level, perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change an engine oil and oil filter. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.